welcome to Upcycling SOS. Finally got the right lower grille for the Volvo. So what we're going to do today is going to replace that. So here it is. That's the right one that we need. So all we're going to do now, pop the old one off, put this one on, and we'll do little odds and sods while we're in there as well. And oh, I have a request for one of you that might know anything about a part in the bonnet. I know it's broken, but I don't know what it's for, so I need help finding out what it is. So we'll get to that at the end, but first let's change this. Down we go. Okay, so this is the lower grille, that's the upper grille, and we're changing this. As you can see, it's a little broken, so let's get this up. I know there's clips all along, and we just need to declip it. So I haven't seen anywhere on YouTube the lower grille removal, so we're going to make it up as we go along. So first of all, let's get the old one off.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, I think I know what it is now. If I bring it in closer. Okay. So you see these clips here? This kind of like what's attached to the actual bumper itself. I can't get it off. Now that's the way I'm sure you're supposed to do it, but I'm going to do something that you should never do. I'm just going to rip it off and then have a look afterwards and just attach the other one. I don't recommend this, but it's my last resort. Wish me luck. Let me tell you, these clips here, okay, they're supposed to release this, and then you've got to go through there, okay, through that one, and through that one, and through this one, but I can't get it off. So once I figure this out, I'll let you know so you don't make the same mistake as I've done. I don't know if it's a mistake, but it should be a hell of a lot easier than this, shouldn't it? So I'll figure this out and I'll come back to you. Okay, I've got one of the clips off here, and I think it's just a case of using a bit of so I'll see if I can get these two out like I got that one. So maybe if you watch me do it, it'll come apparent. I'll try and zoom in when I do the editing and stuff on this one here. Fingers underneath, push with your thumb that way because it's catching there, and just pull out. There we go. That's all it is. It's yank it. I'm realising that you can't be softy with cars. You have to be quite rough with them. So, I tell you what, mechanics, they're in a league of their own. And there we go. So you don't need to rip stuff off. I almost swore. Rip stuff off. Just if you know what you're doing, then I could have saved a lot of time there. A lot of time, a lot of effort. Okay, so now they're off. I can now get access to what I need. Right, I'll go and get the thing and put it on. Okay, so we have the brand new one. Now, like I said, which way are we going? This way? Yeah. So, this, and this, and I think these as well actually, you need to go under the clip and then reattach that plastic bumper part over the top of it so it locks in place. So let's give that a go, shall we? There we go. That is going nowhere. There we go. Okay, so trying to remember what. These clips down here are the easier ones, okay? And then you've got a clip here and here, but it's not really grounded on there. There's none of that bar that goes across it. But these three here, you've really got to get in there, thumb in, with your fingers then pull out, and then get it over that catch. And that's all it is, brute strength. So, like I said, I've not seen a video of this being done, so I didn't have a clue. But all said and done, if I'd have known how to get these clips, it'd have been done in 10 minutes, quarter of an hour. Instead of an hour and a half. But still, it's only an hour and a half, isn't it? I don't know how much it would have been for this to have been done by a mechanic. It'd cost quite a bit, I would imagine, taking the bumper off, taking all that off, putting it in, putting the bumper back on. It'd cost you, I don't know how much, but it'd cost you quite a bit, I would imagine. So there you go. Right. So, like I said in the beginning, let me get rid of. Get rid of that. Okay, like I said in the beginning, I have a part that's broken, but I don't know what it is. And I want somebody to tell me. I have a feeling I know what it is. but if somebody could help me out, it'd be brilliant. And here it is. This thing here. Is this the pedestrian protection thingamabob? I think that's what it is, I'm not sure. But I'm going to try and see what I can do with it. If I can take this off, maybe de-pin it or something like that. I've seen a few videos on how to do that one. I just don't know what that one is. But like I said, I think it's the protection, because you got another one here, here, and here. Oh, and all the way over there. Trying to do all this is impossible. So, if you let me know what that is, if it is the pedestrian protection thingamabob, I'll see if I can get it working again. I mean, the car still works, so it can't be anything too important. Even though that pedestrian protection is important. So yeah, there we go. How to put on a lower grille on a Volvo V40. It took some time. It took a lot of effort, it took a lot of heartache, and it took no knowledge whatsoever. But I got through it and I did it, and hopefully now you know a little bit more about how to install one of them. Now obviously I've shown you how to take off the bumper and that. Look at the previous video, which can I put it there? I'll see if I can. If I can't, then look at my previous videos. How to take a bumper off. And so my next task on this is to find a headlamp washer nozzle for the driver's side. So I'll look at the number of the near side one and try and get its brother or sister. So there we go, another video, Volvo repair, great stuff. So, like the video, it was comical, it hurt, so like it please. Subscribe, I need more subscribers. I'm getting a lot of views, but nobody's subscribing. If you could just click that button, just click it. It's free, and you get, notified when I put my other wacky videos on. So please, please, please subscribe and comment. I'm getting a few comments on my Volvo stuff. And it's really good. So, tell me how you get it, if this has helped you in any way, because this is what this is all about. It's about saving you money, so you could do it yourself, learn a bit about how to fix cars or a Volvo, and then share with everybody else. So whatever you found was easier, tell me. And then other people will read the comments and they'll help each other out, basically. That's what it's all about. And to save you money, rather than take it to a garage, it'll cost you a fortune. Do it yourself, learn. It's a wonderful thing. And also comment, is that pedestrian protection thingamabob? I'll have to have a look at that and then see what I can do. Okie dokie then, guys. So remember, reuse, recycle, upcycle. Bye for now.